To pay your Chase credit card with reward points, start by logging into your Chase online account or mobile app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Rewards section where you can view your available points balance. Chase offers various redemption options for its rewards points, including travel, gift cards, and cash back. However, to pay your credit card bill with reward points, you will need to use the cash back or statement credit option. To do this, select the Pay with Points or Redeem for Cash Back option. Then choose the amount of points you want to redeem. The value of your points will vary depending on the specific Chase credit card you have, but most cards offer a value of 1 cent per point when redeemed for cash back. For example, if you have 10,000 points, you can redeem them for $100 in cash back, which can then be applied to your credit card bill. After selecting the amount of points you want to redeem, review the redemption details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. The cash back or statement credit will be applied to your account within a few days, and you will receive an email confirmation of the redemption. It is essential to note that redeeming points for cash back or statement credits may not offer the same value as other redemption options, such as travel bookings or gift cards. Always review the rewards terms and conditions to determine the best redemption option for your needs. Additionally, paying your credit card bill with reward points does not earn you additional rewards points, so it is crucial to weigh the benefits of redeeming points against your overall rewards earnings. Strategy. By following these steps, you can easily pay your Chase credit card with reward points and make the most of your rewards program. Remember to always review your account details and rewards terms to ensure you are getting the best value from your points.